Introduction.
Sharmila, in a few words define an animal? Yes, animals are a major group of mostly multicellular eukaryotic organisms of kingdom Animalia or metazoa. Sharmila, now tell me what makes animals different from plants? Yes, plants are multicellular, terrestrial, non-mobile, photosynthetic and autotrophic. While animals are mobile, heterotrophic, multicellular and aquatic, terrestrial or arboreal.
Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define what animals are, know about various types of animals, understand various characteristics of animal kingdom, know about various level of organization, understand body symmetry, understand diploblastic and triploblastic organization, know about coelom, understand segmentation, understand notochord, know about various division of animal kingdom, understand various characteristics of invertebrates, identify different characteristics of porifera, understand various characteristics of coelenterata, identify different characters of ctenophora. Animal kingdom. Animal kingdom includes only multicellular eukaryotes. Whales and giant squids are macroscopic and multicellular animals. The important groups represented by the kingdom are protozoa, sponges, coelentrates, worms, annelids, arthropods, mollusks, fishes, amphibians, reptile, birds and mammals. The body plan of animals eventually becomes fixed as they develop, although some undergo a process of metamorphosis later on in their life. Most animals are motile, meaning they can move spontaneously and independently. All animals are also heterotrophs, meaning they must ingest other organisms for sustenance. The animal kingdom is classified on the basis of following features: arrangement of cells, body symmetry, nature of coelom, pattern of digestive system, pattern of circulatory system, pattern of reproductive system. Level of organization. All members of Animalia are multicellular. All of them do not exhibit the same pattern of organization of cells. Examples: in sponges, the cells are arranged as loose cell aggregates, that is, they exhibit cellular level of organization. In coelentrates, the cells performing the same function are arranged into tissues, hence is called tissue level of organization. In Platyhelminthes, tissues are grouped together to form organs, each specialized for a particular function. It is called organ level of organization. In animals like annelids, arthropods, mollusks, echinoderms and chordates, organs have associated to form functional systems. Each system is concerned with a specific physiological function. This pattern is called organ system level of organization. Organ systems in different groups of animals exhibit various patterns of complexities. A complete digestive system has two openings, mouth and anus. For example, the digestive system in Platyhelminthes has only a single opening to the outside of the body that serves as both mouth and anus and is hence called incomplete. The circulatory system may be of two types: open type in which the blood is pumped out of the heart and the cells and tissues are directly bathed in it. Closed type, in which the blood is circulated through a series of vessels of varying diameters, that is, arteries, veins, and capillaries. Symmetry. Animals are categorized on the basis of their symmetry. They are asymmetrical, radially symmetrical, bilaterally symmetrical. Let us know them one by one. Sponges. Sponges are mostly asymmetrical, that is, any plane that passes through the center does not divide them into equal halves. When any plane passing through the central axis of the body divides the organism into two identical halves, it is called radial symmetry. Colintrates, ctenophores, and echinoderms have this kind of body plan. Animals like annelids, arthropods, etc., where the body can be divided into identical left and right halves in only one plane, exhibit bilateral symmetry. Diploblastic and triploblastic organization. Animals in which the cells are arranged in two embryonic layers, an external ectoderm and an internal endoderm, are called diploblastic animals. Example, colintrates. An undifferentiated layer, mesoglia, is present in between the ectoderm and the endoderm. Those animals in which the developing embryo has a third germinal layer, mesoderm, in between the ectoderm and endoderm are called triploblastic animals. Example, Platyhelminthes, two chordates. Coelom. In classification, presence or absence of a cavity between the body wall and the gut wall is very important. The body cavity, which is lined by mesoderm, is called coelom. Animals possessing coelom are called coelomate. Example, annelids, mollusks, arthropods, echinoderms, hemichordates, and chordates. In some animals, the body cavity is not lined by mesoderm. Instead, the mesoderm is present as scattered pouches in between the ectoderm and endoderm. Such a body cavity is called pseudocoelom, and the animals possessing them are called pseudocoelomates. Example, Aschelominthes. The animals in which the body cavity is absent are called acoelomates. Example, Platyhelminthes. Segmentation. In some animals, the body is externally and internally divided into segments with a serial repetition of at least some organs. In earthworm, the body shows this pattern called metameric segmentation, and the phenomena is known as metamerism. Notochord. Notochord is a mesodermally derived rod-like structure formed on the dorsal side during embryonic development in some animals. Animals with notochord are called chordates. Example, Urochordata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata. Animals which do not form notochord are called non-chordate. Example, Porifera to echinoderms. They obtain food from outside source. They swallow their food and they digest food inside the body. Division of animal kingdom. The animal kingdom is divided in two major divisions: invertebrates, vertebrates. Invertebrates, animals that do not have backbone. Vertebrates, animals which have backbone. The animal kingdom is broadly classified based on common fundamental features as given in the image. The animal kingdom is divided into 9 phylum: Porifera, Colintrata, Platyhelminthes, Aschelominthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, chordata.